Alright guys, so last video we left here. Now we are going to prepare our message notification. Now to do that, first what I'll do, I'll add URI for notification tone. So you can just add URI, okay. So notification, so default sound, or you can give any name here. So default sound, alright, equal to, and I'm going to get that from ringtone manager. So you can write ringtone manager dot get default URI. You will get the default URL and the URI of which one. So you can write ringtone manager dot and type notification. Okay, so default your application ringtone notification tone will come stored in this URI. Alright, so that is for the ringtone, so notification sound. So now next we need to prepare intent also. So intent equal to new intent. Alright, and this intent we are going from this service to chat activity. We want to open the chat activity. So to do that, first you have to get context, then we are going inside chat activity. Okay, dot class. Alright, okay, it's done. Now then we have to set the priority, whether this intent is like set flag. We have to set the flag, so I'm going to set flag. Okay, and this flag, what I'll do, I'll make it as a top. So to do that, intent dot, sorry, not this one, intent, and let me just type it. Okay, flag activity. As you can see here, we have top option, and one more thing, we have to intent dot and flag activity single top. Where is that? Let me just write top, we'll get single top. Yep, over here. Alright, these are flag which we can set with the intent. So when you want to clear activity or anything like that, you can do it with the flag. Alright, so here this notification intent, we are setting it to the top one. Okay, alright, so we have set the flag. Now if you want to pass some data inside intent, so you can do it with the intent dot put extra. So we want to pass, if you open the chat activity, they are expecting 3 variable, as you can see, and we are passing it, right? So same thing here, we have to pass the same thing again. Alright, so what I'm going to get in this one, first what I'll do, ID I'll pass, then all this thing, ID, FCM and login. So what I'm going to do is here ID, and this ID is nothing that logged in user ID. Alright, duplicate this, and then FCM, and this is the FCM. Alright, and the last one is login. Okay, login, we can just make it true, since we are getting notification, then probably he's already logged in. If you are logged out, then you don't want to push notification at all, right? So FCM, you can get it from here. This is the center FCM which we are talking about, and the last one is ID. So ID, we can get it. Okay, we are not passing ID here, so this ID you can pass it from here as well. So which means we have to pass, we have to pass ID also. Where is that? Here we are passing, actually we are passing from chat activity. So come back inside chat activity. These are the details we are passing. Now we have to pass logged in ID also. So just all we have to just go with this, paste it here, and here we have to pass, what is that, user ID. Alright, underscore ID, and this will be mauth dot get current user dot get UID. Okay, make sure this is user ID. Alright, we are passing user ID, then same thing we can fetch it here. Alright, so what I'll do, string user underscore ID equal to, then response dot get, here we have to just paste it here, we will get user ID. Okay, alright, that's all we need here, and I think our intent part is done. Now what we have to do is we have to push the notification, right? So push the notification, to push the notification, we have to first prepare a pending intent. So we are going to make pending intent. So pending intent, and pending intent equal to, and this pending intent you can get it from pending intent. Where's that? Pending intent dot get. Alright, so we can get it from activity, so we will get it from the activity. Alright, so pending intent dot get activity, where's that? yeah, here, then here we can get it from context. And why we are getting this error? Cannot resolve context. Pending indent. This should do the work. I don't know why we are getting this. Do we have a different pending indent? Nope, only one. So pending indent dot get activity. Alright, I just remember we have to pass few more parameters here actually. Control P. If you type, we have to pass request code also. Alright, so for request code you can pass anything. I'll just pass some random value. Alright, so 12 or something like that. This is request code, and the last one is flag also. Flag also you can pass anything. We are not bothering much about this, so I'll just pass 1 2 1 3, sorry, 1 4 or something like that. And then we have to pass a lot of parameters actually. What do we have? Okay, that's all we need to pass, but still we are getting this error. Let's see what is the error here. Cannot resolve get activity context int. Okay, and the issue seems to be, if you go inside activity and they are expecting context, integer, intent, and integer, right? So in between we missed intent, so we have to pass intent here, which we have prepared before. This is the intent, and that also we have to pass, and then this should work. Alright, and one more thing. And why is this error is coming? Must be one or more pending. Let me just come back here. Alright, we have passed the intent. Control P. Right, context intent, then some value, right? I'll pass 0 here. Yep, so this solved the problem. Okay, so I have passed all this thing. You can do it by yourself. Now we have prepared the pending intent. Now what we need is, we need notification manager to notify. So notification manager. Alright, then you can create object for that notification manager. I'm going to give notification manager equal to, then you can get it from get system service. Alright, then here we can pass context dot, not context exactly. What we have to pass is, we have to pass actually here notification service, right? Yeah, notification service here. Okay, then you can close this one, and then we may have to cast this. Okay, cast it to notification manager. Now what we need is, we got the notification manager and we have to set some notification value. And now to do that, what we are going to do is, first we are going to build the notification. So notification, right? Notification compact is notification compact. Alright, notification compact dot, then builder. Through this we are going to build, and you can give any name. I'll write notification, notification. Okay, we have to type notification builder and equal to, and then we are going to create new notification compact builder. Okay, and inside that we have to pass actually a lot of parameter here, so we'll pass one by one. So what I'm going to do is, okay, if you check this Control P, here we have to pass the context. So for context we'll pass this get application dot. Alright, then we can come here dot. Now we are going to pass a lot of variable here. So set first icon. So this icon you can pass your app icon. So what I'll do, I'll just pass small icon r dot, then we have in drawable dot ic launcher, right? Okay, actually it should be in map then. Okay, this is our app icon, and then come back here. Then what else we need to pass? We can pass context title also. Set content title, yeah, content title, and this title will be username. So I'll pass where is our username? User, yeah. So I'll pass this user here. Alright, and then what else do we need? We need to set some sound. Yeah, set sound. So sound, we already prepared the sound for this. Okay, let me just make it set sound, then sound URI. I think what is that name? Default sound, sorry, default sound. Okay, we will get the sound here. Now what else we need is, we need to pass few more, that is message. So set content. Okay, this will be the content, and the content is, what is that, message here. So message. Alright, then dot, what else did we missed? We missed something. We can pass a lot of value here, but what I'm going to do, I'm not going to pass any other value. You can pass anything. Alright, then the last one, you have to set intent. You have to set, okay, set content intent, and there we have to pass the pending intent. Okay. Oh, alright, that's all we have to pass, and we are getting this something here. Message view builder cannot be applied. What is this message issue? Why is that not coming? I think they are expecting something else. Okay, they are not this one. Sorry, set content text. Yeah, set content text will do the work. Okay, we have, I think, almost done everything here. The notification, we added notification builder. Now what we are going to do is we are going to build this last one time. Okay, notification builder dot, and then we are going to call this notify function, and inside notify you can pass some parameter. Okay, we can pass. Okay, alright, so I think that is all we need to do, and we can pass some parameter. That is, let me just see, 1 comma, and the notification builder, which we have this thing over here, right? Okay, so this notification we are going to display with the notification builder, not from here. So we have to set notification manager dot notify actually. Then there we have to pass id and notification. So id will be, you can give anything, and notification will be notification builder. Alright, notification builder dot build. This will build the notification. Whew, lot of code, right? So that's all we need to know, I think, to trigger what you call notification, but we still don't know whether it will work or not. Let's just see whether our app is triggering or not. Alright, I just run the application, and it should be display any minute now. And speaking of which, I don't have the second phone, so what I'm going to do, I'll just run emulator, which will take some time, I guess. So I'll just come back with once this is ready. Alright, thank you guys.